So with this ring, I want to promise you ukuthi I will do everything in my power ngisiza uNkulunkulu to take care of you and be faithful to you and do everything that indoda kumele uyenze for his wife. And I promise to love you until my last day on earth. And I love you so much.
Lentumthanda kangaka intoni na umuntu lentum